Welcome to the StatTree video module for the Wilcoxon test. To test whether there are differences between two ordinal variables, the Wilcoxon matched pairs sign rank test would be appropriate. This test is similar to the paired samples t-test, but for ordinal or non-normally distributed continuous variables. You will need two ordinal variables or two continuous variables where the assumption of a normal distribution of the differences has not been met in order to run this test. In looking at the preferred entertainment viewing survey, any one of the scale questions 3 through 7 could be treated as ordinal variables for our demonstration. For this demonstration, we will use questions 3 and 4. With the PEVS dataset loaded into the global environment in RStudio, you would choose linear as the first variable in the pair and rewind as the second variable in the pair. To run the Wilcoxon matched pairs sign rank test, create a new script box. In the script box, type in the following code. This code can be copied from the new browser window when you press the script button on the sending page from the StatTree module. Select the code. Now press the Run icon. R will generate an output in the console window. As with all statistical tests, the first result to look for is the significance figure associated with the test score. If the significance figure meets your preset criterion, you will need to report your test results in your research paper. You will find that significance figure here. In this test, we have met our significance criteria for a difference between linear viewing and rewind and review. Here is your test result. You would report this figure as well as the mean and standard deviation figures for each variable. If the significance figure does not meet the criterion, test results do not need to be reported in your research paper. However, you will need to report that the test failed to find a significant difference or relationship in the data. To see what this output looks like, along with a reporting example, press the Output button on the sending page from the StatTree module.